good morning. Or actually, good evening. We're here at Starbucks and I'm with my friends.
Tapos na kami ng survey. Ang dami kong comments. Paano na lang yung mga grammar?
And we're here. Just a regular coffee Monday.
Bullets!
By the way, is an original.
Pero malalaman nyo ba na kami
Judy and Benji of its Judy time. So,
talaga?
yeah, we're
Pag
celebrating
sinulat mo na lahat ng gusto
Sunny's
ko
birthday.
sinulat?
Ay, joke lang. Just here to
Actually, wala akong comment
have good
doon.
convo with
Wala akong comment.
friends. So,
Happy birthday to you! Ay, lumabas silang tatlo, di ba? Uy, kiss mo sila.
kiss mo kami! Kiss us! Kiss us! Kiss us!
Namumula ka ba?
Uy, di kasya yan!
Oh, teka lang, oh. Dali, wish ka.
It's Sunny's birthday today.
Dali, wish ka muna.
Ito na lang, sunugin mo to.
Gaga.
Kailangan mag-blow ka, importante yun.
Oh, Sunny, dali, wish
Sunugin
muna.
mo to, sunugin mo to.
Wish muna, dali, oh. Dali, ako yung mainit. Jersey? Mainit, ah.
Sarap!
No, it's not delicious. It's super amazing.
Happy birthday!
Makikita. Sige, una-unahan na lang pag-post. Ay, tsaka kami.
Okay, so it's Sunny's birthday and they're talking about the alleged surprise.
Can you please interview?
No, I have Jane Lardy. Say hi. So, may surprise na dapat kay Sunny, pero somebody spilled the beans. So, tinawagan ko.
Somebody dropped the ball.
Somebody dropped the ball, and it's Darex. It's no longer what was perceived to be a surprise. It's no longer a surprise. Huwag niyo na patayin ng ilaw.
Ano sa ka na? Ano ka talaga? Hindi ko alam. Peter, kausapin mo yan. Oh, blow na! Blow! Yay! Blow na tayo! Blow!